model, 64 Plate Ford Transit 310 mk8 2.2 TDCI Econetic fridge van starts drives bargain no VAT. Body, blue, fridge. Mileage, 350,153. MOT, the 14th of November 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Starts and drives brilliantly. Fridge unit is in perfect working order. Only one former keeper. Fresh 12 months MOT. The turbo has started to whistle. Does not affect the running or performance whatsoever. Has full power. Grin.